Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be explaining to you guys how you can quickly level up Sneak in Skyrim, so let's get right into it. Of course, you can level up Sneak by doing attacks while you're crouched and undetected. This will level up your Sneak skill, and of course by actually sneaking and being undetected and evading detection, you will also level up Sneak. Another good way to do this is also to use trainers, which will train you in Sneak 5 times per character level. However, you will, after every 5 levels of Sneak, you will need to level up your character, which is a bit slow, and it is also very gold intensive depending on the level of Sneak that you're training and depending on the trainer that you're actually training from. But yeah, the fastest way is to actually use your Sneak attacks on enemies, and that will give you the most XP in Sneak. And the best method you can use to actually do this is to find a horse such as Shadowmere. I think any horse will do. However, Shadowmere will never become aggravated at you and won't attack you, so he is the best option for this. I don't think you can kill him either. However, you will be able to, if you do damage him, you can just wait for an hour and let his health come back. You can also use the horse from the Soul Cairn. I forgot what his name is, and you can also attack him and resummon him every time that he goes away. And yeah, just do sneak attacks on your horses, and that will level up your Sneak very quickly. It is a bit time intensive and a bit boring, however it is the fastest way that you can use. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and comment any feedback that you might have. Please subscribe to this channel if you are in search, or if you want to see other tutorials that we make for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.